Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki, and today we are going to look at how to freeze video using frame hole options. So in this video we are going to quickly observe the three frame hole options on how you can freeze your video. I do not have any video that, but I'm going to use this so you could apply it to any of your examples. So if you want to freeze any segment among this video, there are three options, and the first one is to take it to where you want to freeze the video, maybe let's say here, or when it is switching to this other second camera. So once you have it there, you just right click and then you come down, you will see there is add frame hole. Now when you click on add frame hole option, you will see that it automatically split the clip into two. Now the first one is moving. If I play, you see that it's moving, but the moment it reached the second
Swimming
one,
just
it
got
freeze.
a serious
And this option
glow
freezes it from beginning to the end, so it remains froze to the end. All right. So the first part will be moving, but the second part
Hello
of
and
it
welcome.
will
My
be
name is
frozen
Victor
throughout
Shamaki. You're welcome
the
to my
entire
YouTube
clip.
channel.
So
Swimming just got a serious glow up.
the Ctrl Z and
I stumbled upon this.
go through the second option. That was for the first one. So the second one, when you take it to where you want to freeze it, you right click again and then you come down to this option, say insert frame hole segment. Now once you do that, what this does is that it splits the video into three and remove audio from the other side. So this very side will be playing, but only this side that has no audio on it, that will be frozen, and then it continues back again. So
It might
if
just change.
you have something that you want to play, hold, play, I think this insert segment hole is your best option. So the last, or the third or the last option is to export it as a still picture. So you take it to that portion that you want to do, and then you come here, you will see this option. If you are not seeing it, you still have a plus sign by this side. So click on the plus sign and then you drag your export frame to the layout. So just drag it and drop it at the layout, right? So I will just cancel it. So because I have it. So once you click on this, it's going to pop up this frame and it's going to give you, maybe you write a name of this, and then you come down, you select which other option, whether it's a PNG or a JPEG or a TIF or any of these options, or GIF. All right, so I will go with the JPEG. So once you click on OK, it will come and be here. Another thing you can do with it is that once you click on this, you also say import into project, so that it can come back directly into the project. All right, so once it is done, you can either go to the folder you have it, or I think it should be directly back at this. So I'm not seeing it, so we could go to where it has been exported to, because if you click on this, you should be able to see where it is saved. So you see, this is the part to which it is saved. So you can either browse and change it and save it, then bring it back into the project. So it will be stated there as a whole frame. So that's it from me today, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.